Now it's your turn to take the plastic bag. Hi guys, welcome back to Cutie Kawaii Cat. I'm like, hi sisters. I'll be telling you what are we doing, as you see on the title. You can see on the title, right? Move.
I did bring two.
Yeah, I did. They're both red. As you see from the title, we're gonna be making squishies of like plastic paper when you don't know. Example is this. You can't see how sliding it is. Yeah. And then we have like our own like licensing, which is really cool. This is a new emoji we made, and this is my other new emoji my brother made. Yeah. It's like a bun. There you go. So that's our two squishy we just made. So now we're gonna make more. First we need plastic, tape, and scissors, and a permanent marker or some color markers or watercolors. My brother is making already one, but I'm just talking non-stop. So take this, scramble it up, and make like a ball shape thingy. Stuff like that, and then you tape it up. But my brother's obviously using the tape, so yeah. So if my brother's done, then we can, once we tape it, we'll just draw a design and write the licensing behind. It will be as squishy. See, you can see how squishy it is already. So you just gotta tape it together to make it more squishy. If you don't know, as you see, it's squishy, but then now we just gotta tape it together to make it a squishy, so it holds it together as a place. My brother's taking so long.
I'm not taking too long.
As you can see, he's wrapping it. Okay, that's enough. I don't think you need so much tape, or else it becomes very hard. It will become real hard. Real hard. Putting you here. See me. So yeah. I was supposed to do like a closed eye one, but I accidentally put the other eye as a heart shape. I don't know who can do that, but yeah.
Okay, you can have the tape.
Yes, finally my turn.
Yeah, finally you'll be the top.
Here's some permanent marker if you need it. So shape it into a ball and just do this. Tape it. Real hard. Real simple.
Yeah,
First tape it like that.
yeah, tape.
Wait.
I actually don't know what to tape.
Tape it around like that, so it's secure, and we'll tape here. So we'll just do the same thing. I don't know if I did one tutorial already. I think I did, right?
Yeah, you did it.
But this is another tutorial for all the new people. I think this one's gonna be real hard.
Are you sure?
Mine's gonna be like real hard, not real hard. What is my brother's making? Like shh, shh.
Nothing.
Ta-da! It's a square. I won't make it as a square. Oh, it's really soft. It's not soft like real soft, but I actually feel like this could be how my squishy is gonna turn out, because I think I can make a YouTube play button out of this.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What do you mean square?
Yeah, I'm gonna say a square. Okay? Isn't that a square? I'm just gonna draw like this. A YouTube play button. Yeah, when I grow older, you like, who is that girl? Where is Cutie Kawaii Cat? I'm like, I am me. I grown up. I'm gonna see all of my squishies video last time. Ta-da! I don't know. I feel like that's it. Just that's it. I feel like coloring it. Should I color it?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna color it, okay? What is yours? An angry face emoji. We'll show you that in a minute. Oops. Okay. Our quote unquote our licensing is to T.
I'll make another one.
Okay. That's how quote unquote. I'll color it later, but I'm gonna write on my brother's one. Ooh, suck my brother's one. Ooh, suck. Oh shoot, I can't see it. Okay, now I'll just screw that up. Writing on licensing behind is hard. Messed that one up, but that's fine. So there you have squishies. Today I have 4 squishies, but obviously we're gonna make more. So this is the play button. Sorry. This angry face is like some stuff here. Just throw it on me like. We're gonna make more, and this one. Another red. But yeah, so hope you guys like it. Subscribe if you have not already, and join the Kawaii family. Bye! Say bye.
Bye.